Even during an intimate Christmas celebration with his wife, Auxilia Mnangagwa, and twin sons, Sean and Colin, President Emmerson Mnangagwa kept his now famous multicolored scarf firmly in place. Sarapena mashoko obudanyo wapangwa idwe vanhu vachiuya vachikomenda pamusoro pesikafu yemutungamiri wenyika vachiti even nepazororo paholiday pamwechete nepamachristmas celebrations mutungamiri wenyika haasi kubvisa scarf yake not vasubscribe like vatomba bell icon. Tipinda paend with the bold truth anodanyira achiti the scarf that never sleeps. Mnangagwa says Christmas mystery. Festive cheer or family comfort made no difference. The scarf stayed on. From scorching heat to cold winds, sunshine or rain, the president is rarely, if ever, seen without it. The constant accessory has fueled growing public curiosity, with many Zimbabweans asking the same question. Why does he never remove it? Not even at home. In a political culture where superstition quietly coexists with power, the scarf has become more than a fashion choice. Zimbabwean politics has long been associated with spiritual beliefs, with some leaders known to rely on rituals, charms, or symbolic items believed to ward off misfortune or evil forces. Whether personal habit, cultural expression, or something more mystical, Mnangagwa's ever-present scarf has become one of the most talked about symbols of his presidency, and the whispers show no sign of fading. Though mashoko anobuda panguva ino vanhu vachikweshera vachiti Mnangagwa's Christmas mystery, aiwa, his scarf never sleeps. Whether kune wind, heat, sunshine, or rain, the scarf is always put on. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Enda comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chetonga bell icon.